有目标就往上爬。你相信你可以勇敢的往前冲吧。有想法就有办法，有办法就不用怕。我们一起祷告，是 number one， 强大的企业家，超越表现的力量。我们一起祷告，是 number one， 强大的企业家，超越表现的力量。我相信我可以，有目标就往上爬。你相信你可以，勇敢的往前冲吧。有想法就有办法，有办法就不用怕。我们一起祷告，是 number one， 强大的企业家，超越表现的力量。我们一起祷告，企业家，超越表现的力量。我相信我可以，有目标就往上爬。你相信你可以，勇敢的往前冲吧。有想法就有办法，有办法就不用怕。
Hi, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Wow, I can see a lot of you here are already in front of your computer and you are already watching this Facebook Live. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming in so early. Yeah, we are going to start at 11 o'clock. Yeah, we are going to start at 11 o'clock sharp. And stay tuned. Don't go anywhere because today, again, I'm going to share with you another secret. Yes, I am going to share with you another secret, which is on techniques to solve tax audit issue. Yes, I'm going to share another technique, right, on how to solve tax audit issue. Yeah, so don't go anywhere. Stay tuned here. Stay until 11 o'clock, and we start at 11 o'clock sharp. Yeah, but you know what? Since you're so early today, since you're here earlier than 11 o'clock, help me do one thing. help me do one thing. That is to share this Facebook Live out. Share this Facebook Live out with your friends, your family, your business partner, your business associates. Yeah, because today this is episode 11. I'm gonna share with you another technique. Yeah, and you don't want your friends, your family members, your business partner, business associates to miss this. Yeah, I think they've probably missed a lot of episodes previously, but it's okay. You know, it's okay. Let them come in and learn this together with you. All right, you can just do it by clicking the share button. Now, if you're viewing this from a phone, there's a share button at the bottom of your phone. Just click that share button. Yeah, if you're viewing it from a computer, you will also find the share button. Yeah, just click that share button so that you can share this out with your friends, your family, your business partner, business associates. Now, if you have any friends, of which you think you want them to come in and learn together with you in your mind right now, tag their names right now into the comment box so that they'll come in and learn this technique together with you. Right, today I'm gonna share you another brand new technique, how to solve tax audit issues. Yeah, and this time I will be revealing another secret. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'll start at 11 o'clock and I shall see you later. Remember, share this out right now. Yeah, share this Facebook Live out right now.
我相信我可以，有目标就往上爬。你相信你可以，勇敢的往前冲吧。有想法就有办法，有办法就不用怕。我们一起到达，是 number one， 强大的企业家，超越表现的力量，我们一起到达。超越表现的力量。我相信我可以，有目标就往上爬。你相信你可以，勇敢的往前冲吧。有想法就有办法，有办法就不用怕。我们一起到达。
All right, it's 11 o'clock already. And as promised, we are going to start our today's Facebook Live. And today we are going to share with you another secret. Yes, today I'm going to reveal to you another secret, another technique to solve tax audit issue. Yeah, we are just about to start now. Now, those who have just joined us, those who have just come in and just joined us, right? You are not late. Don't worry, because we have just started. But I need you to help me on one thing. You know, you have just started joining us this time. Yeah, if this is your very first time joining, you know what? This is already episode 11. This is episode 11. Yeah, that means I've already done 10 episodes previously. But don't worry, don't worry. If you miss all the previous episodes, that's still okay, because you can still watch all the previous 10 episodes on my Facebook page. Yeah? If you go to my Facebook page, that is Tax Guru Zen Chow Facebook page, you will be able to see all the previous 10 episodes over there. Yeah. But today we're going to talk about another technique. Yeah, another technique. I'm going to review another secret to you. But help me do one thing. Now, those who have just joined me, share this Facebook Live out, because you don't want your friends, your family, your business partner, business associate to miss this again, right? You don't want them to miss this anymore, right? So click the share button. If you're viewing this from a phone, there's a share button at the bottom of your screen. Just click that. Yeah. If you are viewing it from a computer, you would also see a share button. Click that share button. Yeah. Or if you have any names in your mind, if you have got any friends, yeah, of which you want them to come and learn this together with you, just tag the name directly into the comment box. Just tag the name directly into the comment box so that they will come in. All right. So today, yeah, we are going to talk about more secrets. Yeah, as usual, I'll be revealing more secrets to you on how to solve tax audit issues. Yeah, techniques to solve tax audit issues. Right now. But I know there are probably a lot of you who join us for the very first time. Yeah, there are probably a lot of you who actually missed the previous sessions. Like I said, even if you missed the previous session, don't worry. You can always go back to my Facebook page, look at the videos section. You just go to Tax Guru Zen Chow Facebook page. Remember to like, share, and follow. Yeah, right. Remember to like, share, and follow. Look at the videos section, and you will find all the previous 10 episodes, because today's episode 11. Now, but now this is what I always say. Yeah, every time when I do this Facebook Live session, yeah, I always say I want it to be very interactive. That's the whole idea of Facebook Live, right? I want it to be interactive. That means I want you to respond to me. So the very first thing that I want to ask is that, hey, how many of you here actually join us for the very first time? If you join us for the very first time, can you just put number one? Put number one into the comment box. Just put number one into the comment box if you are a first timer. Can I just see how many of you here are actually first timers? If you're a first timer, please put number one into the comment box so that I know you are a first timer. I have more than 100 people right now viewing. Let me see how many of you here join me for the very first time. Oh, I have got some responses already. I've got Chan Jackie. Chan Jackie is joining us for the very first time. So he puts number one. Who else? Who else is joining us for the very first time? You have Jessica. I have Jessica, Tamisha, Catherine, Lee Lai Fan, Lawrence, Yvonne Lau. Okay, wow, looks like we have a few first timers over here. Of course, I know some of you have been following me for very long, like Richard Lyon. You have been following me like for the last 10 episodes now. This is my 11th episode, right? Thanks for the support. Yeah. Wow, I see Leah Chin, I see Angeline, Lily Chai, Gita Ramakan. Wow, all of you are first timers. Tin Kid as well, first timers. Okay, now Richard puts 11. Yes, this is your 11th time. Yeah, very good, Richard. All right, now. Okay, see. If you're a first timer, you probably do not know who I am. Yeah, my name is Zen Chow. All right, over here, right? Of course, people call me the tax guru, right? Of YYC, people call me the tax guru. The fact is that I'm actually the tax director. I'm also the head of tax department in YYC Group. You probably then would ask them, who's YYC over here? Let me just take this opportunity to quickly introduce YYC to you, especially first timers. Yeah. Now, let's look at this. Now, YYC is actually an accounting and advisory firm, right? And we were established since 1974. And our brand promise is very important. We want to empower entrepreneurial success. Yeah, that is our brand promise. But of course, we have our vision and mission as well. Yeah, our vision over here is we want to be the number one world-class accounting and advisory firm in Asia. Yeah, but mission is more important. Our mission is more important because our mission here is to inspire everyone, including you who are watching Facebook Live right now. Yeah, we want to inspire you to overcome your odds, unleash your potential, and more importantly, find fulfillment in life. Yeah, that's a very great mission, right? But to do this, of course, yeah, we have a brand promise, right? And the three important promises that we always want to uphold would be we want to share our expertise. You see, one of the brand promises here is that we want to share our expertise. You see, why do we want to do this Facebook Live? Why do we want to teach you? Why do we want to reveal our secrets to you? Yeah, on how to solve tax audit issues? That's because This is one of our brand promises. We want to share our expertise to everyone. And we want to show our most proactive care. Not normal care, but proactive care, right? Especially to our clients, because we want all our clients to have the most positive experience ever. Now, you may think YYC is probably just a normal accounting firm out there. Nope, that's not right, because a normal accounting firm would only have compliance service. But in YYC, we are more than that. Yeah, we don't just have compliance service like audit, tax, accounting. Those are compliance services. We have also advisory services, and our range of advisory services is huge. Yeah, like strategic planning, restructuring, now even cloud and digital transformation. I know nowadays everyone is talking about cloud, right? Yeah, we even help people to do cloud transformation. We also have our own business school. That means we hold a lot of workshops, seminars, from time to time. We also serve international firms through our global business services like outsourced accounting, outsourced bookkeeping, outsourced payroll. Yeah, right. Now, like I said, YYC was established since 1974. Yeah, that means this year we are turning 47 years old. We're turning 47 years old. Yeah, and we call ourselves an international firm. Yes, that's because we don't just have presence in Malaysia. We also have branch in Singapore. Yes, we are an international firm right now. We have more than 800 employees, more than 20,000 clients, and we have trained more than 130,000 participants throughout all our workshops, because we have done more than 5,000 workshops already. Now, these are all the awards given to YYC throughout all these years. Yeah, all right. Now, like I said, having said that, yeah, because we don't just have presence in Malaysia, we also have presence in Singapore. But of course, in Malaysia, our branches are of course in Klang Valley, that is in Kuala Lumpur, and also Selangor, yeah, for sure, yeah, Klang Valley area. We all have branches in Johor and Penang as well, yeah. Now, every time when I come to this part, let's be more interactive, yeah, right? I want to be more interactive with you all. Can I just now have a quick survey from now more than 160 people viewing today? Yeah, where are you from? Where are you viewing this from? Now, Chen, you can just put into the comment box here, where are you viewing today's Facebook Live from? Now, you can just tell me which state you are from, or which town, which city, right? Or even if you are from KL, you're from Kuala Lumpur, you can be more specific. Which area in Kuala Lumpur are you from? Yeah, and just put in the comment box. Let me gauge, out of this more than 160 people viewing right now, where are you from? Where are you from? Okay, Richard, as usual, you'll be the first to respond, right? You will tell me you're from Cheras, KL. Yes, I know that, Richard. Thank you so much, Richard. Yeah, and then I have Lawrence from Malacca. I have Silphon from JB. Yeah, okay, tell me which state, which city, which area, which town you're from. Yeah, you can just tell me more exactly. But Go is from Bemban, Malacca. Wow, I have not been to Bemban. I hope that's a good place to visit one day. Yeah, all right. Eric is from Penang. Danny, oh my God, Danny is so specific. Residency Hijauan Bukit Jalil. I think that's called Green Arena, if I'm not wrong, right? That's called Green Arena, or Arena Green, yeah? If I'm not wrong, yeah. And Bukit Jalil, KL. Well, very good. Catherine from Terengganu, Belby is from Rawang, Chow is from Port Dickson, Nur Amalina is from Putrajaya. Okay, cool. Kido is from Subang Jaya, KL. Right, so it looks like most of you are from the Klang Valley area, yeah, Klang Valley area. But of course, some of you are from Penang, some of you are from Port Dickson, yeah. So, but most of you are from Klang Valley area. Very good, very good. Now, so it looks like Casa Green, yeah. So Danny, Casa Green, the one that's beside Z Residence and beside the Rains. Yes, I know that area. Beside Z Residence, beside the Rain. Yeah, Casa Green. Okay, Lawrence Tan from Bandar Melaka. Okay, cool. Now let's move on to today's topic. I know today, all of you here are not here to just chit chat with me. I understand. You don't want to come here to just chit chat with me. You don't just want to come here to, just tell me where you are, right? Today, you are here today, you're joining this Facebook Live because you want to learn my secrets, right? You want to learn my secrets. And I am going to reveal more secrets right now that is on techniques to solve tax audit issue. I know a lot of you may know, hey, if, this Inland Revenue Board comes and do an audit on me, how do I solve it? So every week, now I'm trying to do this every week, but of course, next 2 weeks, I won't be doing this because next week is Chinese New Year. Next week, it's not Chinese New Year, sorry. Next week, we will be having something also, we won't be doing that. And then the following week is Chinese New Year. So we'll be off for 2 weeks, yeah, we'll be off for 2 weeks. And then thereafter, we'll continue. Yeah, but just stay tuned. Friday, we have to do it on Friday. We do it on Friday, 11 o'clock. Yeah. So for the next 2 weeks, we'll be off. Then after that, we'll be continuing this. Now back to this. Tax audit issues. Yeah, I know a lot of you say, hey, a lot of tax audit issues. How do I actually solve it? How do I actually solve it? And I'm going to share with you my secrets. And today is episode 11 already. Right? Today is episode 11 already. Yeah? And episode that means you have missed the last 10 episodes, right? Don't worry. Now, those who have just joined us, if you say, hey, I have missed the last 10 episodes, how can I view them back? Just go to my Facebook page. That's Tax Guru Zen Chow, Tax Guru Zen Chow Facebook page. You will be able to find in the video sections all the 10 episodes, right, that I've done. You can view all of them, yeah. And remember to then follow my page, follow my page so that you would always join our live session right thereafter, right? It will be usually on Friday, right? Friday at 11 o'clock. Okay, so today is episode 11. We're going to talk about another tax issue over here, yeah. And today we are going to talk about bank guarantee. Now, have you ever wondered what is bank guarantee? Now, some of you may probably have heard of that bank guarantee. Some of you may not know what is bank guarantee, right? But what is bank guarantee all about? It is basically something like an insurance. Seriously, I always say bank guarantee is something like an insurance, yeah, because it means you need to pay bank a certain amount, a small amount, for the bank to guarantee a repayment or payment of a big amount, yeah, right? So that means you're paying bank a certain amount, and this bank would then guarantee to make payment for certain things, and that is called bank guarantee. That's why it's called an insurance, right? Because in the event you can't pay that huge amount, the bank has to pay for you, right? Because the bank is guaranteeing it, right? So that's bank guarantee. Now, but if you actually have to pay this bank guarantee, if you need to pay a certain amount for bank guarantee, is that tax deductible? That's always the question when it comes to doing tax, right? You always want to ask, whatever that I have already incurred, whatever that I have already paid, yeah, is that actually tax deductible? So let's look back at the general principles of deductibility over here, yeah. Now, under Section 33 sub 1, yeah, that's the general principle of deductibility. Yeah. In the Income Tax Act 1967, Section 33 sub 1, we know that for an expense to be deductible, it has to satisfy some criteria. Yeah? It has to satisfy certain criteria. Right? What are the criteria that you have to satisfy? First, it must be incurred during the period. That means that whatever expense that you incur, it must be during that period. Yeah, during that period. Yeah, and then it must be an outgoing or expense. Now, bank guarantee, well, you will definitely say, well, bank guarantee, of course, it will be incurred during the period, right? Of course, it will be an outgoing expense, right? Because I have to pay, right? I have to pay money, right? So, yeah, but now, is it really incurred? Now, when I say incurred, that means it must be a confirmed amount. It must be a confirmed amount. It cannot be a provisional amount. Yeah? It cannot be just an estimate amount. Yeah? It must be an incurred, confirmed amount. Yeah, and more importantly, is it must be wholly and exclusively incurred. Right? Wholly, exclusively incurred for your business. It must be purely for business purpose, yeah, then only an expense can be deducted, right? Can be deducted from the tax perspective. It must be wholly and exclusively incurred for business purpose. Now, right, and most important thing, this is the most important part, is it must be in the production of gross income. That means what you pay is for you to generate more income. Now, this is very important. Yeah, what you pay is for you to generate more sales, more income. So the question is bank guarantee satisfying all this? Right? Is bank guarantee incurred during the period? Is the outgoing and expenses incurred? Right? Not provision. Wholly and exclusively for in the production of gross income. Now that is the question, right? Now let me share you one very important fact here. Even though now you say an expense has satisfied Section 33, but yeah, there are more things to look at, right? Because for an expense to be deductible, we have to also look at whether it's capital or revenue in nature. Yeah, we have to understand this, because if an expense is revenue in nature, then yes, it's deductible. It's deductible because, right, according to Section 33, it must be revenue in nature. For example, right, it must be relating to the performance of profit-earning operations. Yeah, it must, or it's probably for circulating capital, like purchase of stock in trade. But if it's capital in nature, under Section 39 sub 1, right? Section 39 sub 1 of the Income Tax Act, it actually prohibits deduction. That means you don't actually get deduction if the expense is capital in nature. Like, for example, acquisition, of a source of income or a capital asset, right? Or you buy something, you pay something with enduring nature. Enduring nature, that means you are probably buying something with a license, like a license, like a trademark, trade name, Fixed capital, purchase of fixed capital, this is not deductible. So see, you have to also understand whether your expense is revenue in nature or capital in nature. So now the question is back to, hey, so is bank guarantee considered as revenue in nature or capital in nature? Now, let me share one case with you. Now, this is the case I want to share with you. We have got a case of which our client got audited, right? Got audited by the Inland Revenue Board, right? There's a tax audit performed on our client, and this Inland Revenue Board found out that there's a bank guarantee. There's a bank guarantee incurred by this client. So what happened? Now, first look at the background of the case. Now, our client is an electrical and contractor, right? Electrical contractor and supplier, right? So our client is an electrical contractor and supplier. And of course, our client also incurred bank guarantee, bank guarantee charges for his company's project. So there's a company project going on, and the company actually pays the bank for a guarantee to guarantee the payment for the project. So this client of ours incurred bank guarantee charges or bank guarantee fee. Now, what happened when the Inland Revenue Board comes? Was the Inland Revenue Board sees that, hey, you have a bank guarantee, and bank guarantee is capital in nature. The Inland Revenue Board says, pursuant to the public ruling number 2, 2009. Of course, if you want to have a look at this, you can always download this public ruling from the Inland Revenue Board's website. You can always go to the Inland Revenue Board's website. You can always download this public ruling, number 2, 2009. And in this public ruling, it says bank guarantee is capital in nature. So the IRB says, hey, this bank guarantee is capital in nature, and therefore it should not be deductible. They say it is not incurred in the production of gross income of the company. He says that you pay bank guarantee, it is not giving you more income. It is not incurred in the production of gross income, right? Therefore, bank guarantee should be disallowed, right? The bank says it should be disallowed. You cannot claim deduction. You cannot claim tax deduction for the bank guarantee charges or the bank guarantee fee that you have paid. But of course, our client has claimed deduction, right? Our client has incurred this bank guarantee fee, and our client has claimed deduction. But now Inland Revenue Board says otherwise. He says, no, this is capital in nature, bank guarantee is capital in nature because it doesn't satisfy Section 33. It's not incurred wholly and exclusively in the production of gross income, and therefore the Inland Revenue Board disallowed the whole amount. Disallowed the whole amount. And what happened? When the Inland Revenue Board disallowed the whole amount, look at this. There is a 98,000 plus, almost 100,000 ringgit, almost 100,000 ringgit of bank guarantee charges, or these bank guarantee charges of almost 100,000, 98,000 plus being added back by the Inland Revenue Board. IRB says this is capital in nature. See, belanja bersifat modal tidak dibenarkan mengikut ketetapan umum number 2, 2009. See, so it says this is capital in nature. It is not deductible according to the public ruling number 2, 2009. So when this is added back, when this almost 100,000 is being added back by the Inland Revenue Board, well, I believe you would know there will be more tax to be paid by the client right now. And of course, there will be penalty, right? Because they say this is a wrongdoing, So I have to add this back and I have to penalize you as well. Of course, our client is not happy. They say, hey, how can you say my bank guarantee is not deductible? So you know what? They actually came to us then. They came to us and they tell us, hey, can you do something for us? Of course, we are here to solve your tax audit issue, right? We are here to solve tax audit issue. Therefore, we look into the case, we analyze what kind of bank guarantee is this? What bank guarantee is this? And of course, we found out that this bank guarantee is for the company's project. Yes, for the company's project. So we appeal to the Inland Revenue Board. We appeal to the Inland Revenue Board. We say, hey, look, this bank guarantee is for the performance bond of the project. Yeah, that means if you don't pay this bank guarantee, you actually cannot have the project. You can't actually perform certain things. You can't actually even get the project. You can't even do your sales. Yeah, so to actually make the sales, to actually venture into the project, you need to have this bank guarantee. This is part and parcel of the condition for the company, for the contractor to actually carry on the project. That's why this bank guarantee is for the performance bond, of the project. Yeah, and if that's the case, if this bank guarantee is for this client of ours to carry on the project, this will be wholly and exclusively incurred for business purpose. Yeah, this is not just like guaranteeing a loan. Like Danny, yes, I see you already. Danny, you have put up clause 11.9, right? You see, if this guarantee fee is for a loan, is for you to raise fund, then it's capital in nature. If it's for you to raise fund, then it's capital in nature, it's not deductible. Yes, if it's in respect of loan or loan facility, yeah. But this is not the case. This bank guarantee is for the project. It's not for a loan. It's not for a banking facility, yeah. So now we substantiate with letter of award, yeah, for the project, and of course the bank guarantees documentations as well. We show this to the Inland Revenue Board. We tell them this is directly related to the project. Look at the letter of award. It requires our client to have a bank guarantee before they can have this project, yeah, for them to be awarded with the project, and all the bank guarantee commissions as well, yeah, all the documentations. Now, by showing all this, after showing all this, now what happened? Yeah, what happened? We tell them, hey, if these are all incurred wholly and exclusively in the production of gross income, it should qualify. It should qualify for tax deduction under Section 33. Yeah, because all these bank guarantee incurred, it's directly in relation to the company's project, and this is directly related to the production of gross income. Now, if all these expenses, right, like bank guarantee incurred in relation to the company's project, which are actually related to the production of gross income, it should be then allowable. It should be allowable. It's not even capital in nature. It's not even capital expenditure. It is revenue expenditure and should be allowable, and it satisfies Section 33. Now, after putting in all these explanation, bringing out all the evidence, letter of award, the bank guarantee charges, documentations, right, and explaining, the whole business model, in the Revenue Board agrees and drop the issue, and therefore the whole bank guarantee charges of almost 100,000, right, 98,000 plus almost 100,000, it's now deductible, given deduction, and no penalty, no additional to be taxed, and no additional tax to be paid. Yeah, no penalty, no additional tax. So what is the rationale? What's our advice over here? Now, remember, bank guarantee, be very careful with bank guarantee. Yeah, Danny has just shared, I can see Danny has just shared on the comment box here. According to the public ruling, yes, 11.9, clause 11.9 says, yeah, any guarantee fee paid to a guarantor, yeah, in respect of loan and facility granted, right, to a construction contractor is capital cost, right, of raising funds and not deductible. Yes, that public ruling says that. But we have to then look into the details, whether your bank guarantee is really for you to raise fund or not. If the bank guarantee is not for you to raise fund, it's not for you to raise capital, if it's directly relating to your project, directly relating to your sales, then it is deductible. Yeah? But we need to have proper documentation and evidence. That's why always ensure that you have your agreements, you have your contract, like letter of award, etc., to spell out all the terms and conditions, yeah, of the project. Right? If the terms and condition of the project says you need to get a guarantee, you need to get a bank guarantee, right, to secure your project, then only we award a project to you. This is a very good evidence for you to actually claim deduction, because it becomes integrated to your business contract. It's part and parcel of your project, and therefore it is in the production of gross income already. And please ensure you have all these documentations available to justify all the purposes of expenses incurred. Yeah, like I said, letter of award, agreement, etc. Please ensure all these documentations are there. Yeah, then only you have a good chance to argue against your case and drop this issue. So now you see that, whenever it comes to audit, yeah, the Inland Revenue Board will first look at, hey, what's the heading, what's the nature of this expense? It says bank guarantee, therefore straight away it says no, not deductible. But don't just give in. Don't just give in. Yeah, don't just say, oh, not deductible. Okay, you have shown me a public ruling. Okay, I have to follow your call. And then just pay extra tax and penalty. Don't do that. Every time if you receive any tax audit letter, now this is what I want to tell you, especially first timers. If you receive any tax audit letters that tells you, hey, this is the wrongdoing done by you, this is wrong, you have to pay additional tax on this, you have to pay penalty for that. Don't just give in first. Right? Come to us. Now, this is what we are offering to you. If you receive any tax audit letter, don't be afraid. Don't be panicked. Come to us, send us a message, drop us a message, right? Private messages. You can either send us a message through our YYC Advisors, Facebook page, or you can go to my Tax Guru Zen Chow Facebook page, my Tax Guru, my Facebook page over here. Send a message to us, show us the letter, show us the tax audit letter, and let us look at what are the findings. We are here to help. We can help you. We can give you a complimentary online consultation to tell you whether these issues are valid or not, whether they are ways or they are actually opportunities for us to help you to actually clear this for you. Yeah, because our aim here is to solve tax audit issue, right? We want to solve your tax audit issue. So don't be afraid whenever you receive tax audit letter, just come to us, drop us a message. We can always do a complimentary online consultation session, a preliminary screening for you, and see how we can help you to solve your tax audit issue. All right. Okay, so I know there will probably be questions. There will probably be questions over here already, right? So let us look into the questions one by one, right? Of course, if you've got any questions at all in relation to bank guarantee fee, do actually send in. Do send in your questions over here, right? I will look at your questions one by one, All right, so let me just flesh out my questions, and of course, let me just put it back to this slides, in case you want to know, what is your Facebook page again, It's Tax Guru Zen Chow. Remember to share, like, follow. Most importantly is follow, right? I need more followers, right? Share, like, and follow my Facebook page. Okay, let me just go to one of the questions over here that is from Yvonne Lau. Wait, let me just flash up the correct one. Oh, of course, let me just now I didn't flash what Danny has shared. Danny has shared this. This is actually from the public ruling. This is actually from the public ruling, right? Which I've told you, paragraph 11.9. It says guarantee fee not deductible, but don't give in just like that. We need to analyze the case to further understand whether it's really deductible or not. All right, I have one question here from Yvonne Lau. Yvonne Lau is asking, what about guarantee fee requested by our creditor? Now, Yvonne, again, right? Why would your creditor requires you to have a guarantee? Why your creditor would want you to buy a bank guarantee or pay a guarantee fee? If you say this guarantee fee is directly relating to your sales or relating to your trade contract, then yes, it is still deductible because it's directly relating to your trade. But if you say this guarantee is for you to guarantee your loan, guarantee your bank facility, then that is not deductible. I could show one more example, Yvonne. Imagine if you are a factory, right? You are a big factory. You need a lot of electricity. This is what happened, TNB, Tenaga National Bank. I mean, if you are with TNB, I know there's some from East Malaysia will say, hey, mine with Sarawak Energy, and mine is with Sabah Energy. Now, whatever it is, the electricity company may ask you, hey, please put in a guarantee because your electricity bill will be a lot every month. It could be probably more than 10,000 every month. So they are afraid, what if you just close off your company and then you have a lot of electricity bills unsettled? So they need you to have a guarantee, right? So even this kind of guarantee, which is directly related to your business, it will be tax deductible. All right, Yvonne? Okay. All right, let me just move on to the next question, or I have another question here from another part, right? From YC Wong. Okay, I can't flash that out, but it's from YC Wong. Let me just read out. The question says, is the bank guarantee returnable or non-returnable after fully paid after the project? Now, why see, of course, bank guarantee is non-returnable usually, yeah, because it's an insurance premium. It's just like you buy an insurance, right? When you buy an insurance, you pay the insurance premium. Then, if you don't claim the insurance, of course, the premium will not be returnable to you, right? So usually, right, this bank guarantee that you pay to the bank, yeah, is not returnable even after the project, yeah. Okay. All right. I have another question here. Let me flash this out. This is from how do I pronounce the name? Ling Ni Ling. Okay, anyway, Ling yeah, okay. Now, Eng says, yeah, hi Zen, what about bank commitment fee? Is it deductible? Now, of course, bank guarantee fee and bank commitment fee are two different things. Yeah, are two different things. But let me just answer to this first. Yeah, Ni Ling yeah. Bank commitment fee is not deductible. It's not deductible. Why? You may ask, why? Yeah, why is this not deductible? Did you know what is bank commitment fee to start off with? You see, when would a bank charge you bank commitment fee? It is when you have bank facility, say overdraft facility, but you don't use it. When you don't use it, that means that you have been given a bank facility, but you don't use it, and they will charge you a commitment fee. So look at it. If you don't even use the facility and you got charged, right? How do you relate this to generating more sales? You're not even using the facility to make more sales, right? Of course, if you use the facility, it will be interest. It will be a bank overdraft interest. And bank interest can be deductible if it's for business purpose. But commitment fee is not even, for business use because you are not using the facility. Therefore, commitment fee is not deductible. All right. Okay. So let me continue. I have a question here from Eric. Okay. Eric Ng is asking, what about BG for BA or LC for import of goods from foreign countries? Now, sometimes, yes, you may need to have a bank guarantee for your bank's acceptance or letter of credit, right, for importation of goods. Yeah. Now, if you say this bank guarantee is purely, now if it is to guarantee the payment of your imported goods, now if this bank guarantee is for the payment of your imported goods, then yes, that will be deductible. Now remember, if the bank guarantee is for the payment of imported goods, then yes, it is deductible. But if the bank guarantee is for the facility, is for the banker's acceptance, is for the letter of credit, that means it goes back to the paragraph 11.9, which I mentioned to you. This will be bank guarantee in respect of a loan or a banking facility, because BA or LC is a loan or banking facility, right? It will go back to that, and that will be not deductible. So what I would advise you to do is, if you want to take up a bank guarantee, don't say the guarantee is for the BA or LC. The guarantee should be for payment of the imported goods directly. Payment of the imported goods if you fail to make payment. Now, that kind of bank guarantee, yes, it will be deductible already. All right, Eric? Okay. Let me see. Any other questions? Any other questions from your side over here? Let me look at the other part also, yeah? The other part also, okay, I don't see any questions yet. Of course, over here, I don't see questions as well. Now, okay? Now, I know today this topic is probably say, okay, this is something new that I'm learning, right, on bank guarantee. But let me just remind you, again, yeah. If you receive, hey, that's a question, is it? Oh, thank you very much, it says. Okay, all right. No problem, Eric, no problem. You're welcome. Now, if you receive any audit letter, just remember, if you receive any audit letters, please don't be afraid. I know many of you will be very panicked, as soon as you got audited and then you receive a letter and you will find that, hey, how am I going to solve this? And how am I going to solve this? Don't worry about this tax audit letter if you receive them, because come to us, right? Immediately come to us. Don't wait. Don't wait after 1-2 months when the appeal period is gone, right? Because you can only appeal within 14 days, right? You can only appeal within 14 days. So come to us, show us the tax audit letter. We will help you to solve it. Okay, I have more questions coming in already. Okay, let me just answer to some questions over here. There's a question here from Yvonne Lau. Okay, Yvonne Lau asks here, creditor requested BG from us as a security, just in case we fail to pay them. This looks like we are securing a credit facility. Yes, it looks more like you are securing a facility. That's why, if you say your creditor is requesting a bank guarantee, right, as a security, right, try to see how you can make this bank guarantee. It's like a repayment directly for a certain project or a certain trade contract. Make that BG relate to that trade contract that you have with your creditor. So if this bank guarantee is relating to a trade contract, that will be deductible. But if it's only like a bank guarantee, right, to secure that in case you can't make payment, right, to whatever that you're owing to the creditor, and this bank will pay for you, that is more like, securing against a facility, right? A facility, because, credit term given to you by creditor is actually something like a loan, right? So that is against the facility. So don't do that kind of bank guarantee. Do a bank guarantee that is directly relating to a trade contract. That will make it deductible. All right, Yvonne. Okay, I hope I have given you some tips here. Yeah. Okay, Jaslyn is asking, hi Zen, is bank guarantee paid to TNB deductible? Hey Jaslyn, I thought I've just explained. Yes, it is deductible, Jaslyn. It is deductible because, like I said, if you require to use like huge amount of electricity, TNB will be afraid. What if you don't pay me, right? So they will ask you to do a bank guarantee against TNB, right? Against your electricity charges. Yeah, that is deductible because that's directly relating to your business. Okay. All right. Let's look at the next case. Next question. Jess Liao. Okay. Jess Liao is asking, May I know, guarantee fee paid to foreign holding company to provide support letter to my company to apply the forex facility. Is this guarantee fee deductible? Jess, unfortunately, no, this is not deductible. Why? Because this guarantee is for you to apply for a facility, right? Forex facility, like I said, any kind of bank facility, any kind of loan, right? And this kind of bank guarantee, this kind of guarantee is not deductible, right? When it's relating to your loan, when it's relating to your banking facility, it's called capital in nature. It's called capital in nature, as explained in the public ruling that I mentioned just now, right? It's capital in nature, and therefore it's not deductible, unfortunately. Yeah, Jess, this one is not deductible. Yeah. All right. Okay. There's a question here from Eric. Yeah. What happened? We have different tax agents. Still can go to YYC? Of course. Yeah. Now, even if you say you have the tax agent, now, of course, I'm not saying your tax agent is not able to help you. You can always try, talk to your tax agent and see. Yeah. But now, if you think, hey, I might as well get YYC to help because YYC is like very well versed with all this. YYC is, familiar with all these techniques to solve tax audit issues, right? You can always bring it to us first. Let us give you some online consultation first and see how we can help. Then you can decide. You can decide whether you want us, YYC, to go on or you want your existing tax agent to go on, right? Of course, we hope that we can help you, right? Because we want to help you. So no problem. Even if you have another tax agent, you can still bring your letter when you have that. Come to us, yeah? Oh, by the way, we are YYC, not YCC, right? There's a typo there, yeah? Just to correct you. It's YYC, not YCC, all right? Okay, cool. All right, okay, I think I've pretty much answered to almost all questions. Let me just see, there's another question over here, right? Yes, there's one question on the other side that's from YC Wong. YC Wong said, a kind of bank guarantee in the form of bank fixed deposit, especially for government contract. When the authority release the guarantee, we can withdraw the guarantee amount. Oh, okay. This kind of guarantee is different. This is like, a security deposit. YC Wong, you're saying that you're putting in security deposit for a government contract. Yeah. When you finish, then you can withdraw the security. That is, of course, returnable. But, the bank guarantee fee that the bank charges you, that is not returnable, right? Whatever the bank charges you for a bank guarantee, that is not refundable. Right? But whatever security deposit that you put in for a project, well, of course, that is refundable back to you. All right, so no problem on that. All right, so looks like I have already answered to all questions. Yeah, and thank you so much for joining me. All right, once again, let me remind you now, in the event you receive any tax audit letters, please don't be afraid. Come to us. We are here to solve. Yeah, we are here to solve. And for those who have just joined us for the very first time, and you find that, hey, this series is good, man. This series allows me to learn, what kind of tax audit issues. And so if that's the case, if you think this series is good, like, share, and follow my page. Remember, go to my page, Tax Guru Zen Chow. Please like, share, and follow my page so that you get the first-hand information when we have the next Facebook live session. Yeah, and we are going to do this on Friday, 11 o'clock, right? So our time is Friday, 11 o'clock. But of course, let me just tell you again, next week, well, we won't be doing this because I'll be having something on. The following week is Chinese New Year holiday, right? So I don't want you to spend your holiday, looking at Facebook Live, right? So 2 weeks to be off. We'll be off for 2 weeks, and then after that we will continue, right? After that we will continue, and that will be on Friday, 11 o'clock as well, yeah, right? So we'll be resting for 2 weeks. But of course, if you say, hey, I missed all the previous sessions, all the previous 10 episodes, because this is episode 11, right? go to my Facebook page, go to the video sections, yeah, and you will be able to find all the videos over there, right? All our previous 10 episodes over there. All right. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Yes, you're welcome, Catherine. You're welcome, Eric. You're welcome, Yvonne. Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for joining me for almost 1 hour, right? And I hope to see you again next time. So remember, we are here to solve your tax audit issues, right? So let's solve more tax audit issues. Let me reveal more secrets to you in the future. All right. Thank you once again. Thank you and have a great weekend. Yeah, have a good weekend. It's Friday anyway, right? Have a great weekend. And remember, stay safe at home. Wear your mask. Use a lot of hand sanitizer. Wash your hand frequently, right? Stay safe. Stay at home. And okay, that's all. All right. Goodbye. Goodbye all. Thank you. Thank you very much. Goodbye and have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.
一起到达是 number one， 强大的企业家，超越表现的力量，我们一起到达是 number one， 强大的企业家，超越表现的力量。相信我可以，有目标就往上爬。你相信你可以，勇敢地往前冲吧。有想法。到达是 number one， 强大的企业家，超越表现的力量，我们一起到达是 number one， 强大的企业家，超越表现的力量。我相信我可以，有目标就往上爬。你相信你可以，勇敢地往前冲吧。有想法就有办法，有办法就不用怕，我们一起到达是 number one， 强大的企业家，超越表现的力量，我们一起到达number one， 强大的企业家，超越。